Welcome, dear children. Today we're going on an exciting journey to learn about one of Allah's beautiful names, Al Majeed. Are you ready to discover what this special name means? I know you'll love learning about it. Let's start by learning this beautiful name in Arabic. It's written as and pronounced as Al Majeed. This wonderful name means the most glorious and the most majestic. Isn't it amazing how this name captures Allah's greatness? You know what's really special about Al Majeed? We can see Allah's glory and majesty all around us in nature. Look at the mighty mountains reaching up to the sky. They show us Allah's majesty. When you see a beautiful sunset painting the sky in amazing colors, that's Allah's glory. And the vast ocean that seems to go on forever, that's another sign of how majestic Allah is. Let me tell you about little Sarah. One day she was walking in her garden when she stopped and looked up at a tall tree. She was amazed at how perfectly Allah made it grow. She noticed the beautiful flowers blooming in different colors and saw tiny birds building their nests. Sarah realized that Allah takes care of everything, from the biggest trees to the smallest creatures, showing His glory in everything He created. Now it's your turn. Can you look around and find signs of Allah's majesty? Maybe you'll see it in the love your parents show you, or in the delicious food Allah provides for us. Perhaps you'll notice it in the rain that helps plants grow, or in the birds soaring high in the sky, or even in the twinkling stars at night. Remember, dear children, Allah al-Majid's glory and majesty are everywhere around us. Every time you see something beautiful or amazing in this world, remember to thank Allah for all His wonderful creations. He truly is al-Majid, the most glorious, the most majestic.